Now we will see how the teachers can use Google Classroom and Google Meet for online training. So teachers can log on to their email account, open the URL gmail.com, click on sign in, enter the organization's official email ID. Don't enter your personal email IDs. So we need to enter the organization's official email ID. Click on next, enter the password. So now it will open the URL. You can check your inbox. If you are already joined in your Google Classroom, now directly you can click on Google Apps icons, scroll down and click on Classroom. So then it will open classroom.google.com. If you are joining first time, remember that you need to click on accept request. Otherwise here also you can see your decline or accept request. Already you have joined, then your class will be visible in your classroom. You can make a click on your respective class where you can see stream, classwork, people and grades. Now we need to share the meeting link to all the students. So again, now what you need to do is, first you are log on to your Gmail account. From your email account you are opening your Google Classroom. From this Google Classroom now you can open your Google Meet. So on the top right side you can see Google Apps icons and you can click on Meet. Click on join or start a meeting. Provide the name. So it will show the your mic, video, and if any notifications are there from meet.google.com, just allow those notifications. Click on join now. So when you click on join now, you will get a basic information, meeting information. So click on copy joining info. When you click on this copy joining info, the meeting information will be saved in your clipboard automatically. So after copying this information, I am going to the classroom.google.com where I can see my respective class, and here in share something with your class I am posting the joining information. So if a teacher, X teacher is posting this information, we can say that, so for example here, computer science class by Mallikarjun at 10 a.m. on 6th May 2020. So you can provide a one line text so that students will know that which class by which faculty at what time, date, and you can paste your meeting link and click on post. So already we know that how to, when you click on post, instantly this message will reach to all the students. If you want, you can schedule this information. Click on this arrow icon and you can click on schedule and you can schedule it. So once you schedule, then this information will be posted at that particular time. So we need to share this meeting information here and click on post. Now when I click on post, this meeting information will be shared to all the students. Remember that it's better to share this meeting information before 15 to 20 minutes so that all the students can join in this particular meeting. So once the meeting is shared, then this meeting information will be visible to all the students in their classroom, and the same meeting information will also be available in the student official email IDs. So a student can join by going to their official email ID and click on this link. Otherwise they can directly log on to their classroom account, classroom.google.com, and they in under stream they can find this link where they need to click on this link and click on join. So once the students are joined, then in your meet you can see all the participants which are available in your meeting. So before starting the session, remember that you need to enable your mic. If video is required, you can enable, otherwise we can disable. And you need to click on present now. Once you click on present now and share your entire screen, then this desktop will be visible. Means when you click on entire screen, it will show, do you want to share your entire screen? So click on this share your screen icon and click on share. Then now your complete desktop will be visible to all the participants. Means if you want to show any presentations or any videos, now you can minimize and you can, your desktop will be visible. You can open your presentations or you can open the videos which are available. So all these things will be shared to the, will be visible to the students. This information is not shared, this information is visible to the students. So once the session is completed, again you can click on stop sharing. Once you click on stop sharing, then the visibility will be stopped to all the participants. And here we know that all these features, we can see here how many number of participants. You can use the chat option. Okay, and here on the bottom you can see, if you want, you can use the recording options. When you click on record meeting, this recording will be done. So all these things, once the session is completed, you need to click on stop recording. Once stop recording is done, then only the recording session will be recorded, and that information, recording video, will be saved in your Google Drive account automatically. So this is how to post the Google Meeting link to the students. And if you want, you can share some meetings, all these things, basic information, you can share it to the students. So this is how to combine the Google Classroom with Google Meet. So for example, what we can do is, sometimes administrators can create a permanent link for a class. Permanent link, if permanent link is created by the administrator, then this permanent link will be displayed here under the class code. So it depends upon the administrator, but remember that if the permanent link is visible at any time, parents can log on to that permanent link. So generally we will disable that permanent link. Based upon the requirement, we can use that permanent link. Otherwise, teacher should know that how to create a meeting, how to create a meeting link, and how to post it in your classroom. So this is the procedure how to integrate both Classroom and Google Meet. So first you are logging to your normal school account, and from there you are going to Google Classroom. From Google Classroom, again you are going to Google Meet. From this Google Meet, you are copying that meeting information and you are pasting in your respective class under stream, so that this meeting information will be visible to all the students. So this is how to integrate your Google Classroom and Google Meet. So I hope everything is fine. Thank you. Everyone can understand this, how to use these things. For any online sessions, we can use these two tools provided by the Google. Thank you. Now you can log out from your account.